Going on Chris Bruce here, man. Listen, I'm about to get ready to get on the stage right now. I'm about to shut it down, show people how to actually go out there and make money through the internet, become the internet landlord. Let's go.
Here's the story. Jay came to me and he was like, Chris, man, I want to launch a course. I want to launch my brand. And I said, okay, I'll probably help you with that. And he was like, I have a very big vision of doing a podcast, launching events like this. The one thing that I saw happen was when my mentor launched his software, he got one that was cool. But what amazed me was this dude pressed a button with the software. The software cost $3,000. He pushed the button, he made $1 million in 45 minutes. I said, oh, I gotta figure this out. Hold on.
Let's go, baby. Betterweight Conference 2. You know I had to have my brother Chris Bruce out here dropping some beats, man. He gonna be at Betterweight Conference 3, 4, 5, all of them, man.